If you can master this one thing I'm about to teach you in this video, you will make a fuck ton of money. Trust me, I've been through it, but you have to watch the video to understand what I mean. It is very simple, but it's not easy to do. So, here's exactly what you need to understand because you've probably been in this position yourself plenty of times where there is one thing that you keep avoiding or one thing that you keep not doing essentially. Have you ever realized that there is always something that you want? Let's say you want to be rich as fuck, right? You want to make a shit ton of money, but you never get there. For whatever reason, you try to do all of these things, but for whatever reason, you can never really get there. And I'm going to tell you right now that everything you want is behind something you don't want to do. Every fucking time. I swear to God, you've been through it, you know you have, because there's always something that you avoid. And I'll tell you this right now from like real life personal experience. Like when before I ever made money, when I'm talking like 10, 20, 30K months, before I ever did that, I had a big dream to just like make 10K a month. Like that's my fucking goal. That was back in the day when 10K a month was like, whoa, the holy grail of money, right? Well, nowadays people are like posting fucking videos, making millions and whatnot. But anyway, back in the day, I wanted to make 10K a month, which was my biggest like holy grail ever, right? I wanted to make 10K a month. So I worked a job, I worked a regular ass sales job, and I was like, fuck, I'm trying to do a bunch of things. I'm trying to do e-commerce, I'm trying to do this, I'm trying to do that. And then I realize that there's one thing I'm avoiding. And I'm avoiding this because I really don't want to do it, right? I'm avoiding it. I don't want to do it at all costs. I was just so nervous, so scared. I don't know why. But I was looking into agencies, I was looking into high ticket sales, I was looking into all these things. But what I ended up realizing that, if I wanted to make money in these types of business models, I had to do sales calls. Sales calls like I do right now, or not right now, but like you do over Zoom and try to close somebody. I wanted to avoid that at all costs. So I wanted to do an e-commerce store. I want to do content. I want to do all these things just because I didn't want to do e-commerce. So I tried making YouTube channels and I got to 15,000 subscribers on a channel and I was like, okay, but I never really got to 10K a month consistently. And what ended up happening was that at some point in time, after like 4 years of working a regular sales job, I was like, you know what? Fuck this. Why am I so scared of taking a sales call when I have freaking so much sales experience? I can just use that sales experience that I have and close somebody over Zoom. I honestly I couldn't tell you why I was so scared of sales calls back in the day, but what ended up happening was that I changed my mindset. I finally decided to commit to doing something that I wanted to avoid at all costs. And guess what happened? When I finally started taking sales calls and starting a business where sales calls was actually a thing, I started doing high ticket sales. Guess what the fuck happened? I hit a 10K a month for the first time, like real first time consistently ever. Can you believe it? I fucking did it. I finally got the 10K a month. Why? Because I leaned into something that I was avoiding for so long. And that's the message with this whole video. Dude, whatever you want is behind something that you're too scared to do or behind something that you're trying to avoid at all costs. I swear to God, if you just go deep in within yourself because you know there's something you keep avoiding, whether it's posting content, whether it's doing sales calls like me, whether it's texting that person, whether it's doing whatever, there's always that goal behind that thing. I'll give you a different example, a newer one right now when it comes to after switching from high ticket sales into an AI agency, right? I was plateauing in sales for so long because I wanted to be the guy that was actually making the real banks. Like if you're making somebody $300,000 in high ticket sales, you're just taking home like 30K out of that. Oh, of course, 30K is a lot of money. However, the real money is like the 270 that's left, right? That's like 270,000. Holy shit. So I wanted to be that guy, right? Making that amounts of money. And I was never going to be that if I didn't decide to quit high ticket sales. So once I finally did that, things started to change, right? Then I'll give you a different example. For the AI agency that we started recently, We were struggling to get clients. Why? Well, because nobody wanted to do the cold outreach. We didn't want to do the marketing, right? So it wasn't until finally I fucking started cold calling and doing the shit that I really didn't want to do that we got our first client. It wasn't until I decided to fucking finally spend some money on ads and spend some money like behind marketing and getting and acquiring leads was the real time we actually started making money with the agency. So it's like there is so much money to be made, and you'll get rich as fuck if you just finally lean into the thing that you're avoiding. So if you can switch your mindset somehow, some way, understand that everything you want is behind something you don't want to do. It sounds corny, it sounds cliche maybe, but it is real. It is the truth behind it all, and you'll see as soon as you start doing it. So go within yourself and ask yourself, what is the thing? Like, just be you. You have to be blunt and genuine with yourself when it comes to this. Just ask yourself. You don't have to share it with others. Just ask yourself, like, what is the one thing that you keep avoiding? That's kind of like itching your back. You kind of know you should be doing it, but you're not doing it. What is that one thing? Go and fucking do it, and you'll see within like the first week you'll have way more results just by doing what you didn't want to do. I swear to God, like it changed as soon as I started doing sales calls. I closed the fucking piff right there, 4K in my bank account. I was like, what the fuck? I closed the 4K deal. At that time I was actually closing for myself too, so that 4K was to me, and I was like, holy shit, there's fucking money to be made right here, right? So I'm like, what the hell, why did I avoid this for so long? And you don't even realize that it, until you finally start doing it, you don't even realize that it wasn't really that bad after all, because I had been avoiding sales calls for years, dude. I swear to God, if I just did these sales calls years earlier, I would have had so much more fucking money than what I do right now, just because I missed out on that opportunity because I was too scared of doing it. Why was I too scared? I have no idea. I couldn't tell you to this day. However, I decided to lean into it. And once you do it, that's when everything changes. I swear to God, just fucking do it. You have to do it. You have to at least try. Because what's really the worst thing that can happen, dude? Like, genuinely, what's the worst thing that can happen? Let's say you're scared of sales calls like me. And it's funny, by the way, side note, I was so scared of sales calls, and then I fucking started doing sales calls for a living. Like, being a high ticket closer, you're just taking sales calls all day. And then you're just, bro, it was the most scary thing ever. And now that was how I paid my fucking rent, by taking sales calls. Okay, but anyway, what's the worst thing that can happen? Let's say you were scared of sales calls just like me. You didn't want to do them. Let's say you start doing them and it doesn't work out. What's the worst thing that happens? You get better at sales calls, you have a new skill set. Things are just like easier whenever you need to sell. Yeah, maybe you didn't close anybody, maybe it didn't work out, but at least like you haven't really lost any money. You haven't really like de- developed less. Like everything is just better because you actually tried, even if it doesn't work out. So you practically have nothing to lose. You just have to do it. And this goes for everything in life. It doesn't just come to business or money or whatever, but if you want to be rich, like you have to do this. And honestly, I'm going to tell you right now, it's almost like a superpower. It's pretty much scary because once you finally understand this, you'll be looking for these opportunities. You're going to be looking out for things that you're scared of because you know that, fuck, this is something that I'm kind of scared of. I don't know if I want to call this lead or not. I'm kind of scared to call them. But then you realize, oh shit, this is where the money is actually made in these scary situations. Fuck yeah, I'm going to call that person. And then all of a sudden you close them and you're 4K, 5K, 10K, 20, 30K richer just because you did something that was uncomfortable. Everything you want is behind something that you find uncomfortable. Honestly, it's just the truth. And that comes with, like I said, different things as well. Relationships. Like if there's a girl you really want, you find her attractive, you want to be her boyfriend, whatever, that thing is never going to happen until you actually hit her up, until you actually go and talk to her. Like things like that can change so much, but you have to just do it. Like there's no other way to explain it. There's no other way to say it. You just have to do it. And it takes courage, it takes balls, it takes everything. But until you try, you'll never know, right? So you won't even, the worst thing is like you don't even give yourself the opportunity to. I told this to my business partner when we were first starting out, trying to get clients and everything. We're just like, fuck, dude, we've spent like it's been like 2 months, we still haven't even gotten an opportunity to close anybody because we hadn't even been on a sales call, right? So I was like, fuck, it's been so long and we haven't even had the opportunity to close. Because I was telling him like, yo, if we just get like 10 people to show up on a call, chances of one of them closing is high as fuck. 10%, right? So it's just like one of them has to close. So if not more, right? But that was just like keeping things low just to put things into perspective. So that's why I told him. And I was like, if we haven't even given ourselves an opportunity to close anybody, of course we're not going to make any money because we're not even putting ourselves in an opportunity to do so. And you're never going to put yourself in that or you're never going to have that opportunity until you put yourself into it, right? So it was the same thing. I was like, fuck, we needed to start cold calling, we needed to run ads to even put ourselves in an opportunity to close somebody. And you better believe as soon as we did, somebody popped up in the calendar. All of a sudden we had meetings. All of a sudden we could close people for 4 to 5k. All of a sudden we were 30k richer, right? So it's like you just have to put yourself in that opportunity to even be able to make money or to get rich as fuck or to get what you want out of life or get what you want out of the situation. It's always behind something that's scary. It's always behind something that is uncomfortable, but lean into it instead of going away from it because it's uncomfortable. You're not going to see what you want behind something that's comfortable. Trust me, you're only going to see what you expect. Once you actually push yourself out of that comfort zone, you will get more than what you thought. Hope that helps. Catch you guys next time. Take care.